Hello, I'm William. I've done a lot of different styles, but all the styles I've done is for self-defense. So when you do like hard styles, then you like do the soft styles. So you do them all for the same, like self-defense, like hard style kung fu, then you swap over to Tai Chi. You're doing both of them for self-defense. You actually realise the similarities, the two of them. What I realised the true value of Tai Chi when I was doing tournament training. You'd be doing a lot of hard sparring in the tournaments and that. I was really good with my hands. I could really, attack and destroy, really match the people with the hands. One person I trained with, I was really good with my hands and he had no answer, so he'd go to his feet. And he's really good with his feet. He'd totally totally destroy me. He'd just like tear me to pieces with his feet. So I thought, wow, this is like, I've got to do something about this. And my instructor was actually teaching me Tai Chi. It was a combat style of Tai Chi and that. And, showed the movements and everything else. So I started seeing the similarities in the hard styles. The only difference is Tai Chi had like more circular movements, but slower. So I thought, okay, I'll start doing my hard style, same form as my hard style, like your hard style going from here, like going. In, just knee punch, hook, punch. The other one's where you're doing your kicks, you're doing all your kicks fast and that. You're going back, you're going kicking, back, and all that. Normally when you do hard style, you do all these movements really fast. But then I thought, okay, I'll start slowing them down, like Tai Chi, and I started doing all the hard style movements. I'll show you this one, like, like Tai Chi goes. You got the punch slowly. There, the punch is there. Then you actually open your hand. Now you pretend that's the person's arm there. You're grabbing the arm, locking onto the arm, and pulling the arm, and you're moving your foot. Punching, and you're there. There, now you open your hand, there, up. There's the person's hand, and you're coming in. Up, you pretend that's the person's arm, you're going around his arm. You actually see like movements, you go there, and you can see actually where your balance and posture is. It becomes like kicking. Normal kicking's up there, up, down. But when you start doing like the kicking in slow, like Tai Chi, in slow motion, like that, you go from there. You lift your leg up slowly, now you can see where your balance is. Kick, you can see where your balance is. Down, you can see where your weight's actually shifting. And you lift this foot, so then you can see where your balance is in your ankle, up. Now you can see where your weight's shifting. Then you're lifting your back foot up. You're doing it slowly. You can actually see all your weaknesses are from this way up. From here, put foot up. You can see you want to slope. There, go down. Now really lift the leg up. You actually see where your balance is and everything else. So you start doing that really slow, like all the other hard forms is. Turn. Through. Turn. Go through that one. And you start slowing them down. Actually, you can see where I was lifting my feet. I could see where lift my foot. I see where my balance was. You see, okay, my posture's off straight. Now, when I kick, my foot digs in and down. So I did all my forms. The hard style ones like really slow, like Tai Chi. You can actually see where your weakness is, your faults. You can actually see where your hand punches. You can actually open your hands like the hand you go there. You get open. Then your fist like this up. Then you go from there, up, then you go with your hand open, hook, round. You see like, when you punch, you got this, you open your hand up and even hit your hand like this. Go round, you punch, then you go from there, you go punch, there, up, over. You see all the different combinations you can do. You can actually see it. So I did the hard style training, like slow, all the kicking and punching and all that. When it comes to actually doing the tournament training with him, actually I started using my hands. And of course he just used his feet and totally, even though, you know, totally shred me. And my answer was, oh, foot fight. And I just totally tore him apart. And he's just going backwards, driving him backwards. And he just, what happened? What's going on? I showed him, you know, all the hard, fast kick you do, like kick like fast, and all this, everything fast. If you're doing it fast, you're throwing your foot around. But your balance is still, because you're throwing it fast, you can't see, like here when I throw my foot fast, see I'm moving backwards, and I'm balancing my foot. Put it slow, like Tai Chi's up, and you move your foot back, you see how my balance is still up. So you're overcompensating, you're losing your balance, you throw there fast. You don't realise your body's actually going back with your leg. You put your leg back. But when you start down, it's up. Then my kick. Now my foot's like this, now it's straight, but my body's still straight. Now I can move my posture back. Up, slow. You see where I moved? Then you can start like seeing all where your movements, where you're moving, all that. You could actually keep your balance more. That's what I found Tai Chi, the reason why we do it slow is it's fine tuning your movements, your balance and everything else. So it don't matter if you do your hard style karate, whatever style you do, or taekwondo, anything, no matter what style or what form you do it really slowly. You make it whatever form you do it slow, you go from here, some will kick like this, see how you move from there, whatever you do, up, kick, so you're still up, so your balance is still down, but you do it slow, try and get slower and slower and slower. You find out all your, like where your weakness is, your ankle, your balance, actually when you throw your foot out, because you're throwing your foot out, it's actually throwing your balance out with your foot, like typical force. Because you're doing it fast, you can't see it. When you do it slow, like put your foot out, but then you're focusing, then you can come back straight in. Like you can go from there, like you normally do it fast, like you can't see like there, up, down, to this foot, now see my body's still straight. Now there, I move back, see my body's still straight, up. Sit down, I can even go up, here up. There, kick out, down, move it slow, it's like now, see my foot goes out, the weight's actually on the end of your foot. Do it slowly, you can actually adjust your balance, all that. So that actually helps quite a bit doing the hard style slow like that. I also worked in other videos, I worked in factories, in the leather industry. That helped actually quite a bit. You're moving stuff around to get it up. Because Tai Chi is like circular movements. Oh, funny thing found about doing Tai Chi is you're doing all the hard styles and all that, punching and attacking and that. When you go to Tai Chi, you're still punching and still attacking. Because you practice it slowly, everybody thinks like Tai Chi's done slowly. No, you're only doing it slowly to fine tune your movements and your body posture, your ankles and all that. When you actually do it, you're fast and efficient because you know this hand goes here, this one needs a block up, and this automatically this comes up, this one's coming straight through. That's Tai Chi. From there, push, grab, see moving back, so Tai Chi's like, so it's not a combat style, it is, there, strike, back fist, punch. That's Tai Chi. Oh, I was doing one, after I finished, I decided I was doing Wing Chun as well. And I went, and also I thought, okay, Wing Chun like that, but then I decided I'll do Wing Chun as well. Then somebody had done like this style of Tai Chi, so I still did the Tai Chi on a different night, a different day. I was doing the Tai Chi instructor said to me like, William, you've got very aggressive hands. Like I was doing the same movement as everybody else, but my hands were more aggressive. It's like my hands are doing, people just going, with this up, and all this, just going, and there going. Mine is lifting the arm up. So this arm is up, this arm is like breaking through. Oh, what I found out, if you want to get the benefit out of Tai Chi like you're doing your hard styles, the same thing you want to do, the same, like get somebody to stand on the, oh, if this is if you're practicing Tai Chi, you actually want to get more benefit out of Tai Chi, you get somebody to stand in front of you, and add just slight resistance, you push slight resistance, and then your whole body changes because you've got slight resistance, like all your muscles line up. You do it like even your hard style, hard style martial arts, you get somebody like in the end of your, hold the end of your fist, we'll just put light pressure, you do your fist punch, somebody's pushing on it and you just do it slowly, and they're just adding light resistance. You actually feel your whole, all your muscles, you want to line up, your posture line up, doing your hard style or Tai Chi, it makes no difference. Because you're doing it for self-defense, you see the similarities, not the differences. So you're doing your hard style, when you get somebody just slightly, you do it slowly like Tai Chi, you push, you find all your muscles, you find, oh no, I should turn this way a bit more, because you're not, just you turn too much this way, having enough power, then you adjust like. So try that in your hard styles with a partner, still do your hard style forms, but this slowly, you actually see where your body's, where you're losing power in it. You can adjust the power, your angle, if you're even doing Tai Chi, practicing Tai Chi and you actually want to get better, you push, like somebody pushing on it. When you're moving back, get somebody to still got the pressure, putting the pressure on, but you're still slowing the pressure on, even if you're doing your hard style. You're pulling your hand back, you've got the resistance coming back slowly. You can actually see like where the muscles change and where they go forward. Even if you're grabbing something and moving it around, put somebody to put pressure there on the hand, then you move your hand around, you can actually see like, yeah, where your body will adjust, because you've got light pressure on it. So it doesn't matter if you do hard or soft, you apply these techniques to either. Because I look for the similarities, not the differences. The difference is like Tai Chi is more circular movements, and you do it slowly to fine tune your body. So you do whatever style it is, karate, whatever, you still do the same forms as you do in your karate or whatever style you do, or anything, any style you do. You do the same forms, but you do it slowly, and you're doing it like this, and you get somebody to just put light pressure on your hand. You do it slowly and push. You can actually see where your muscles and body lines up, and you see like, no, I should turn this way a bit more because now I've got more power. You can actually see like where you can strengthen your body and where your weaknesses are. So the Tai Chi and all the other ones, they're not separate. They're all similar, all the same when you're doing it for self-defense. There's no difference between it. The only thing is like Tai Chi is circular motion. Oh, funniest thing is like you're doing hard styles, you're punching that hard and physical. Tai Chi, you're doing the same thing, but you're totally relaxed when you're doing it. Like, it's weird, because you're doing like attacks, pushing and moving somebody around, the same attack, but you're totally relaxed when you're doing it. That's actually quite different. Only other thing is like, somebody pushing against you, you don't push back, like you hold. Like you've got something falls on you, you've got a big like, say, sheet of timber, like a big square sheet of timber. When you hold, you just hold, like holding something, you just hold. If you push back on it, then you've got resistance. If you hold it, it's different. I had one guy that got cranky with me because he wanted me to do something. I said, no, I'm not going to do that because it's a bit stupid what he's doing. He's actually with a nail gun, a staple nail gun. I go, no, like, that's a bit dangerous, like the way you're operating. I'll keep away from you. Go, no, help him. He said, no, the way he's moving it around like this wasn't safe. They got upset and said, he started pushing on me. Started to push me, so what I did is I held in pushing. Because you're holding, you can actually step away. Like if you push on something, you're actually grounding yourself to the ground. Like you're pushing, you're actually pushing yourself. If you're relaxed, you just hold it. You're not. You can actually step aside, and keep your hands like, his hands there, you just step aside and turn, and he just falls over to the ground. He was angry and he got up and he changed his mind, and I just stand there and realised what happened. So that's the difference between things. So I hope this helps. I'll try and do some more videos. If you've got any questions, or anything you want other videos, you do other videos, or you're not sure about something, put the thing in the comments and say what you'd like or do you like me to show you, or you don't understand what I showed you, so put it in the comments, and I'll try and address it into a video on what you don't understand or what you want me to clarify or check. So put a comment in it, so ask me questions, and I'll try and do a video and answer them. So hope this helps. And there's also we're on OzCane, martial arts, OzCane on YouTube. That's the other channel with me and Dwayne on OzCane. So you can go to the OzCane channel and you'll see our other videos. Sorry about that, it's a bit early in the morning, but hope this video helps. See you later.